Sometimes you're not going to be able to take 5 days off. Sometimes a mental health break for me can be something as simple as canceling whatever plan I have later in the evening and staying in bed and just eating something that gives me comfort and watching Netflix just because I want to. And just doing something just because I want. I think therapy for me was very different than what therapy is maybe like for other people from what I think. Because in my head, I've already seen a problem and I've already said, I think the root cause of this is this, and I think this has led me to be like this, and I think this is triggering this in me for this reason. So by the time I'm in therapy, I'm sort of answering all the questions before I can even be asked it. What therapy really helped me with was maybe seeing it from a different perspective. Because in my head, I already had it figured out. I was having an extremely overwhelming week, where just like everything is just getting messed up. Everything one after the other is just leading into chaos. The simplest thing, the simplest days, where it's like I have this to do, and then I'm done for the day. But everything that can possibly go wrong before that, over there, on the way from here to here, over here, and then even after that, has gone wrong. There was one day towards the end of that where I was having the godfather of all of those days. Okay, where literally on top of everything going wrong, my car's AC has also decided to conk off in this Bombay heat in the middle of everything. So not only am I struggling and in chaos on my way from one place to another, my AC is giving out hot air. Okay. Put down the window, hot air. My skin is crawling. I'm on the phone, I'm going for an event. My hair is getting chapta, sweat is falling, makeup is all over the place. My car had 5 minutes before that also gotten banged. It was just, I can't even explain. And in the car, I was like, I'm going to explode, and if I explode, I'm going to bite someone else's head off. Because everyone was being incompetent that day. Honestly, it was not my fault at all. I was doing everything correctly. Everything correctly. I woke up on time. I sat for hair and makeup on time. I gave enough time to fittings. I did everything. Everyone else was messing up. It was really not my fault. I said, I am going to bite someone's head off. And I said, I don't want to bite someone's head off because I don't want to ruin anyone else's day in the process of my day going badly. So I sent a message on my group, my work group, and I said, guys, emergency mental health break needed. I took off to the mountains for 5 days and I did a digital detox, did massages, nice therapies, acupuncture, reflexology, meditated for hours, finished reading 2 books in the span of 5 days. I just took that time for myself and just singularly focused on bringing back calm into my life.